Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says if m equals this, so they have given you matrix m, then which of the following matrices is equal to m power 2022? Great. So, if you will observe this thing, you have to find out m to the power 2022. Now, you know that to get this element we have to multiply m so many times with itself, or we should find out the pattern by which we can reach m to the power 2022. So look at this, how we will try to solve this question. First, what I want to do is I want to write down matrix m as the combination of a plus identity matrix. Okay, so we are interested in finding a, so we can write down things as m minus identity. Correct, means identity this side. So look at this, you know that m is 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus of 3 by 2, minus of 1 by 2, minus 1 0 0 1. Now you guys can write down things as 5 minus 1 by 5 by 2 minus 1 is what? 3 by 2, and again 3 by 2, and then minus of 3 by 2, and then minus of 3 by 2. So we guys can write down things as 3 by 2 times 1 1 minus 1 1. So this is our A matrix. Okay, now try to find out the pattern in A. I will connect all the dots, but first try to find out pattern in A. So suppose we are interested in finding a square, which is what? A into a. So it is 9 by 4, 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. So look at this, it is 9 by 4, and then to get this element, this is a11, so first row will be multiplied with first column. So 1 into 1 is 1, and then 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, that is 0. So this element becomes 0. Now to get this element, it is a12, so first row with second column again 0. Okay, now we need to find out this element, it is 2 1, so second row first column, so it is minus 1 plus 1, again 0. Then this is a22, means second row second column, again it is minus 1 plus 1, so it is 0. So we can say that a square is equal to 0. Now be super slow and look at this, how we will solve our problem. So we need to find out m to the power 2022. Since we know that m is equal to I plus a, we have started from here, no? And we need to find out m to the power 2022. So can I take power 2022 both side? Now try to remind the expansion of binomial thing. Okay, so over there it is written that 1 plus x to the power n is equal to nc0 x power 0. Here identity will be taken as 1. Okay, and if you don't want to take that thing, I'll take x and y. Okay, x and y, nc0 y power 0 x to the power n plus nc1 y power 1 x power n minus 1, nc2 x to the power n minus 2 y power 2, and so on. And the last element will be ncn y power 0, sorry, x power 0, x power 0 y power n. So this way we will expand. So here also we guys can write down things as 2022 c 0. So I to the power 2022 and a power 0, whatever may be the power of y will be the power of the lower subscript of c defines the power of y, lower subscript of c defines the power of a. Okay, now again we will be writing 2022 c1 I to the power 2021 a plus 2022 c2 I to the power 2020 a square and dot dot dot. If you will observe, after this element every element will contain a square, so that will become 0 because a square is 0 matrix, correct na? So these things will become 0. Now I to the power anything, identity to the power anything is an identity matrix, so it's okay. And 2022 c2 c0 is nothing but 1. Right now we are dealing with matrix, so instead of writing 1 we will write identity matrix. Now this is 2022 c1, it is 2022 and I power anything is 1 and then it is a. So who is a? A is 3 by 2 and 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. So we have to simplify this thing to get the required answer. So we got 1011. So can I write down things as m to the power 2022 equals I plus, this is 3033. So 3033 3033 and then minus of 3033 minus of 3033 and we have to add identity matrix means 1001. Now you can update things, so we will get 3034 then 3033 minus 3033 and then plus 1 means what? Minus of 3032. So this is your required matrix. Okay, so from now onwards if you have to find out anything to the power bigger value, try to break down things in like identity matrix plus a matrix. Okay, and then find out the power of a for which a will become 0. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.